Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to link the Google Docs or the Google links with your Notebook LM. It's going to be easy process, and I will attach the link to the Notebook LM in the description so you guys can check that out as well. Just go to your Notebook LM like I have so, and log in with your account, and you have to redirect yourself to your notebook where you want to work on. Just click on add resources, and over here you will see a drive option. Once you click on the drive option, it will redirect you to the drive in a mini menu, and you can link any or as much documents as you want to link it with the specific notebook color, and that would will be able to access the PDFs. It will be able to access the prints and everything in it. So you would be able to access the PDFs and the docs as well in the source. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one.